Here's how to set up parental controls on the Switch 2, super easy. Now what you want to do is come over to the home screen right here, and then you want to go over to the settings down here. Press on the settings. Now once you're over here on the settings, you want to scroll down on the left side until you see the parental control button right here, and then you want to go ahead and press on it. That'll put you over here where you want to press where it says set up parental controls. Press on it. Now if you have any app or any game open, it's going to close, so just go ahead and hit close, and that is going to put you right here. Now what you want to do now is scan this QR code with your phone, or just head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download the Nintendo Parental Controls app. This is what it's going to look like on your phone, and just go ahead and install it. And then once you have it, you want to go ahead and open it. In here, we're going to press a start, and then you're going to get this little intro. Feel free to read through it, and then you want to press a start again. Now this is optional if you guys want to accept it or not. I'm going to put don't send. And now you guys want to sign in into a Nintendo account. Now you guys have to make sure that this account is for somebody who's over 18. Okay, you cannot sign with an account that your child uses if your child is under 18. So if you're setting up for your kid, don't sign in with his account or her account, sign in with your own account, and you could create one for free. Now once you sign in, you're gonna go ahead and link your Nintendo account. I'm just gonna link it with my account right here, and then it's gonna have you keep your Nintendo 2 nearby. So you want to make sure that your Nintendo 2 is close to the cell phone where you're setting up the parental controls. Then go ahead and press next right here. Now once you get to this screen to link your Switch 2, go ahead and press where it says app has been installed. It's going to say enter the 6-digit link code, and you're gonna go ahead and press enter link code, and now you're gonna put that code that you see over here but into your Switch 2. Once you got the code over here, go ahead and press OK, and now you have to wait a couple seconds. After that, it's going to show the account that you have over here on your phone for parental controls, and you're gonna go ahead and press link over here on the right side. And now it's going to give you this prompt letting you know that it's been successfully connected. Press OK over here, and now you could continue on the phone. Over here on the phone, you could give the console a nickname, but I'm gonna keep it as it is, and then go ahead and press next. Now it's going to give you this information in here. Feel free to read through it, and if you agree, press confirm and continue. You could press next right here, and then if you want to allow notifications from the app, just go ahead and press allow. If not, just put don't allow. And now we're finally ready to start setting the permissions how we want them. Press OK one more time, and now you guys have access to the parental controls where you could set up playtime, you could set up the game chat. If you want to add a pin to limit the usage of the Switch 2, whatever you want to do, you could do now from the parental control app from Nintendo on your phone. Now when you guys are done setting up the app, I recommend that you come over here back to parental controls, and you press sync with Nintendo Switch parental controls app, because that is going to update the Switch to whatever you did over here if it didn't do it automatically. And there you guys have it. That is how to set up parental controls on the Switch 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.